Welcome back, guys, to KnowSolutions.com. I'm Nuno, and in this video I'm going to show you how to register for a ServiceNow developer instance and set up the initial favorites list so on the main menu, so you don't have to keep searching for items as we go through this series. So step one is you're going to want to open up your browser and browse to developer.servicenow.com. When you get in here, you're going to scroll down. So you want to get a ServiceNow instance ID, fill out this form, and then sign up and complete the registration process. And once you're done, you're going to want to log in. Let me get back in there. And so I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And then on your initial login, you're going to have this start building button here. You want to click on that. You're going to want to request you'll see choose your release is going to be a couple different options. I'm going to go with San Diego for this demo because that's where I built the integration. I haven't tested it on Tokyo yet. So I'm going to request a San Diego and then go down here and then click the request button. And what will end up happening is it's going to spin up a new virtualization containing a ServiceNow instance that you can log into. Once the instance is spun up, you'll get this message telling you that your instance is ready, and it'll give you your username and password. And you're going to want to click Open Instance. Okay, once your instance opens up, just close this little box here if this pops up for you. And the first thing you're going to do, you're going to want to click on your favorites here. And you're going to want to click this little pin button so you can pin the menu to the left side of your panel. And then you're going to click this All, and we're going to add a couple items to our favorites list. So first of all, we're going to add incidents. And you type in incident as a search, and you're going to want to pull all incidents. So click this little star, and then you'll see it automatically pop open here. I'm actually going to get rid of this on-call one because I don't need that. I'm going to remove that. Go back into all, and I'm going to search for the next thing we're going to need is business rules. And then if you scroll down, system definitions, there's multiple items you'll see here. Business rules, there's multiple menus. You're going to make sure you want to pick the one that's underneath the system definition. Next, we're going to want to do the REST message. This is the outbound API. And don't worry if you don't understand what these menu items are at the moment. I will explain everything. So we're also going to add scripted REST APIs. And we're going to close that. We're also going to be adding script includes. And you want to make sure that the script includes that you select are underneath the system definition, similar to the business rules. And we're going to clear that filter. And now we're going to add users. Make sure you add groups as well. They're both underneath system security, users and groups. Clear that filter. Now you're going to want to add local update set, or update sets rather. And then you also want to go back into all if that happens to you. Then you want to also retrieve the retrieved update sets. You want to retrieve the basic configuration. Make sure you select the one that has UI 16. That's the one we're going to be using in this video. And the other thing we're going to look for is logs. And this is the last menu that we're going to need. You scroll down, want to look underneath system logs, and then system logs again. You're going to want to get this all menu, and that's the one you're going to want to add in here. Okay. So now if you click on incident all, you should be able to see predefined incidents that were loaded into your developer instance. And at this point, you have set up your developer instance basic menu. And the next step is to make sure that we add a proper icon, because right now you just see ServiceNow, because we are going to build 2 developer instances. And we're going to start with this one for now. This is what the one we're going to create right now is the client instance. So what you're going to want to do is click on the system properties basic configuration UI 16. And at the bottom here, you see banner image for UI 16. Right now it's set to ServiceNow. You want to click on that. I'm actually going to pick one that I already created. If you guys don't have an image, you can create one, but I have pre-configured a couple images here. So I'm going to pick this Nuno Solution customers.png, and you can see that it's going to change here to client. Now it doesn't change here and until you hit save. And after you get the little notification saying that properties are saved, you're going to want to hit this refresh button at the top here to reload the page. And then once the page reloads, you'll see the icon actually changes. All right, there we go. Now we have a client logo banner at the top. We have our menu all set up, and we're ready to start coding our first business rule. And I'll get into what that is in that video. Thanks for watching.